Yes, welcome to SEPAM. We are going to analyze this triangle today using three formulas. The first one we're going to look at is the Heron's formula. We're going to use that to find the area of this triangle. Then next we look at we find the angle psi using cosine rule, and then we are going to verify the area calculated using Heron's formula by using the sine rule to find the area to round off this particular episode of looking at area of triangle. So let's start with finding the area using Heron's formula. This is the Heron's formula, and then S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So let's apply it. S, the semi-perimeter is 39 cm. That means the perimeter, if you go around this triangle, is going to be 38 cm. So half of the perimeter is 39. So substituting into the Heron's formula, so let's see what we have. So the area is equal to 16.64 cm square. That is my gift for you. Subscribe to SEPAM. Let's go to the next one. So let's look at the B part of the question. Calculate the angle BAC sine using cosine rule. So cosine rule, this is the cosine rule we are going to use. So let's substitute the value where B is 14, C is 9, A is 15. So simplifying that, the numerator gives 52, denominator 252, divide that, then find the angle that gives psi is equal to 78 degrees. Thank you for viewing. Let's go to the third question. So the third part, which is the final part of the question, so let's find the area of this triangle using sine rule. So what is the sine rule? For this area that we have, the area of a triangle is equal to half BC sine A. So let's apply it. Half 14 multiply 9 multiplied by sine 78 degrees. That gives 61.6 cm square. Subscribe to SEPAM for fast and easy learning.